In this project, we'll build a digital thermometer using Arduino and a temperature sensor. By the end, you'll have a live temperature display running on the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE. Here's what we'll use today: an Arduino Uno, a USB A to B cable, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a temperature sensor. We'll wire the sensor to read ambient temperature, then display the reading on the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE. Here's the sketch. It reads from the sensor, then converts the voltage into Celsius, and prints it to the screen. Let's build and upload the sketch. Open up the serial monitor. Now it's running. You can see the room temperature updating every second. If I breathe on the sensor, you'll see the temperature and humidity climb quickly. That's how you make a digital thermometer in minutes with an Arduino. This is just Project 2 from DIY Maker Tech Basics, and every step is in the book.